working in different verticals, like one of the vertical, birds, engineers and technologies, where we are offering some training programs to the corporates, industries, the students and so on. Now in this training program, we are offering the latest updated technologies to the industries. At the same time, we are also working on the different projects related to speech processing and matrix laboratory called MATLabs. Also, we are offering some projects for the VLSI design and embedded system. And another vertical also we are working, that is Birds Engineering Academy Pune, where we are offering different training programs for the students, for the engineering colleges, polytechnic colleges or diploma colleges, at the same time masters, at the same time PhDs also. We are also offering a live projects for the students in the different technologies like digital signal processing, VLSI design, embedded system, digital communication, analog communication, electronic devices and circuits. Now today, if you want to learn any technology, for that purpose, if you want to learn anything, for that purpose, today we need to focus, we need to concentrate on the only one thing. If you couldn't focus, then you will not be able to learn or achieve what we are trying to learn. So for that purpose, I will explain about how to concentrate and why concentration is important for that. That is important. Now for that purpose, let me give you one small example. Suppose there is one river like this. This is one river, and for other side there is one village, and in the other side this is one village, and this is one river. As of now there is no water in the river, and other side of this river there is a big forest area like this. So there are different forest areas, and in the forest areas you are already aware of that different wild animals exist like lion, tiger and so on. So one of the boy from the village morning started his journey from this, and he crossed this river and entered in the forest. But morning time he entered, but while evening time what happened is, in between suddenly there was a cloud burst, and because of cloud burst, huge water and huge rain, because of that river is flooded with water. And at the evening time when that boy reached here, that boy is here, this is a boy is here, and evening time there is a cloud burst and river is flooded with water, and if that boy stays back here, then he has to face different wild animals. If you want to cross the river, then he couldn't swim. Now you tell me now, suppose we are in his position, if he stays back, he has to face the wild animals. If you want to cross the river, he can't swim. This side also problem and this side also problem. So when we are in trouble for the both direction, at that condition, whom we will recall or call first?
God.
God, right, exactly. I am very happy you can take this. I am very happy, exactly. We will recall for the God. And as usual, we know that in our tradition or in our society, we are having different gods, like this is God A, this is God B, God C and D. List of gods will be like Anjaneya Swami, Hanumanji or any other gods. Let us say we will say God A, God B, God C and so on. So when that boy started calling to the God A and enter in the river, in this river, so God is helping him. But we know that God is not visible. God is not visible. But God is helping to that boy. And boy started his journey in the river, and God is helping him. But when that boy is calling God A, help me, God A, help me, God A, help me, boy can't see the God. Boy doesn't know God is helping. So suddenly that boy stopped calling God A, and in between started calling God C. Boy started his journey, and he stopped calling God A and he started calling God B. Then what happened is, God A is angry. He's saying, I am helping him, but he started recalling to the other boy, other God. Therefore, God A got angry and he left that boy. Then God B started disputing him. Then God B help me, God B help me, God B. Then boy has started his journey in the river. In between, that boy stopped calling God A and started calling God C. That boy is here and started calling God C. So again God B is getting angry and God B left that boy and started calling God C. And in this process, whatever gods available in his list, all gods are over. And no God is left to help that boy. And that boy drawn away in the river. And that boy died. Now please tell me, if you want to save his life, then what he would have done? What he would have done?
He had focused on God A,
God, if he start focusing on calling God A only, then he is helping him, he would have crossed the river. So in the same way, in our life also, when we are doing, let us say, some one electronics and telecommunication subject, at that time, that subject is with us, but we are thinking some other subject. Let us say some network theory. And when we are in the network theory, at that time what will happen? Instead of talking on network theory, we will start talking on some another engineering subject like digital communication. So at the end of the day, we are neither able to study first subject or neither able to study second subject, and we are nowhere. Therefore, what we have to do is, for the today's lesson, what we have to do is, we need to focus on only one thing. Then only you will be able to achieve your goals. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Miss Jani Lavate, you tell me, what would you have done? What's your question? Have you understand what I am trying to tell you? Yes.
I would have focused on one God, and more than focusing on God, I would have focused on myself. And
Exactly, very good, very good, very good. Exactly. Now may I call director of this institute, Mrs. Archana Gule. Please come. Archana Gule. Now she will brief you about the institute, what he is doing,